Hello everyone, and welcome back to our MySQL tutorial series. In today's video, we'll learn how to use the select query with the where clause to retrieve specific data from a table. I'll also show you a live practical demo. So let's begin. What is select query? The select query is used to fetch data from a table in MySQL. For example, if you want to get all the records from a table, the basic syntax is select all from students. This command will display all the records from the students table. What is where clause? Now, the where clause is used to apply conditions while fetching records. It helps filter the data based on a specific condition. Syntax: select all from table name where condition. Example table data. For this example, here's a sample table called students. Student ID, name, age. 1. Pranav, 20. 2. Amit, 21. 3. Neha, 19. Let's try fetching students whose age is greater than 20. Example query. Where clause. Query: select all from students where age is greater than 20. This will display only those students whose age is greater than 20. Multiple conditions, and, or. You can also use multiple conditions with and or operators. Example using and. Select star from students where age is greater than 18 and age is less than 22. This will show students whose age is between 19 and 21. Example using or. Select star from students where name is equal to Pranav or name is equal to Neha. This will display records of both Pranav and Neha. Operators you can use. The where clause supports various operators like equal to, not equal to or exclamation mark equals, greater than, less than, greater than or equal to, less than or equal to, between, in, and like for advanced filtering. You can use these in your queries as needed.
Interview questions. If you're preparing for interviews, you can download. And that's it for this video. In the next tutorial, we'll learn about MySQL table constraints like primary key, not null, unique, and more. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with your friends. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next one.